everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Miss+Meow Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of November 9th through November 15th using this amazingly gorgeous kit called Happy Soul from Miss+Meow. It is my very first time using a kit from her, and I am so happy with how it turned out. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread as always, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so the first thing that I want to mark on Monday, normally I mark uploading my plan with me, but last week I did not get my plan with me up on Monday. A lot of stuff went down last week and I got really busy, so I didn't get my plan with me uploaded on Monday. So it kind of threw off my normal vibe for planning. I did, however, have my Zoom class in the morning. So to mark that, I'm using one of the scallop circle boxes from the kit, a piece of floral deco that also came with the kit. I love the fact that Regina adds floral deco and like a little deco sheet with every single kit. I think that's amazing. It's such a perfect little touch, but I'm adding a piece of floral deco onto the side. And then that little sports bra is also from Miss+Meow, not from the kit, but it's a separate like workout sheet. You can buy them foiled or unfoiled, and I just got them unfoiled in the pink colorway. There's several colorways that she has, but I wanted to keep it a little bit neutral because I have a lot of spreads, obviously, where you can mix pink and whatnot. So I added that. The little swoosh is from Planning Like a Pro, and then the training script is from Planner Kate. Jumping down, I also wanted to mark that I listened to my Office Ladies podcast on this day. So to mark that, I used one of the confetti boxes from the kit. Those headphones are from Rose & Tea Shop. You guys may notice that I now magically have my nails done in the video. I filmed the first half of the video on a separate day, and then the second half was all filmed later on throughout the week. I do that. I kind of almost do a plan as I go type of a thing. And yeah, that's just what I did. So the first half of the video, my nails were gross and nasty. Forgive me. But anyways, the next thing I wanted to mark is that I went to the gym with my younger brother and my very good friend on this night. So to mark that, I used a label from the kit, another piece of deco. That piece of deco is actually from the Sweet Planner. I found a sheet that matched this kit very well, so I pulled that in. The little dumbbell is from Planning World, and the gym script is from my mom. Then in between that, there is a little divider, and that is from Honey Inked. I was so excited to pull that in. I haven't been able to use that quite yet, so I finally had a chance to use it. Then I wanted to mark that I cooked dinner on this night. I actually made some goulash. I love using quick recipes, and I make a really good, like, not spicy goulash, but it's like It's got a little bit of kick to it because I add cayenne to it. Oh, it was so good. And my husband loves it. So to mark that, I used a third box from the kit. That little cooking Ava is from Planning Like a Pro, and the script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband just binge watched a whole mess of YouTube. So to mark that, I pulled in a quarter box from Panda Bird Designs, and that little YouTube button is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that this was the day that my kitty cat got neutered. Oh my goodness, that was a whole fiasco. We had to take him in at 7 o'clock in the morning, and he was so scared. When we got there, though, apparently the vet said that he was like super chill and one of the most easiest going of cats that they've ever neutered before. And then when we brought him home, he was like so disoriented. I could tell that he was like tired, but he didn't want to go to sleep because they had him on the stuff that they use to put him to sleep while they do the surgery is a hallucinogenic for cats. So when he came home, he was like literally tripping out, like, oh my gosh. And we had to buy him a cone. And it was just like, I looked at my husband, I was like, if we can keep him alive and keep him out of trouble, then maybe we should start having kids. Because it was literally like around the clock. We had to make sure that he could go to the bathroom and, eat and just monitor him and everything. And I was like, oh my gosh, we have a child. So that was a whole thing in and of itself. But anyways, the second thing I wanted to mark is that I went and saw my adopted grandpa on this day. So to mark that, I used another scallop circle box from the kit, another piece of, it was actually the other half of that floral deco piece from the kit, the little cars from the GP studio, and the script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I did upload my plan with me on this day later than I wanted to, but it is what it is. So to mark that, I used a scallop quarter box from the kit, a mini lace mandala from Honey Inked. The little planner is from Planning World, and the upload plan with me is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that we had a game night over at our friend's house, and to mark that, I used another box from Panda Bird Designs, another icon from Crafts by Towie. Love those. That's actually one that I just recently hauled. A haul video is coming, guys. But I had to pull it into this spread, so you will see that in my most recent haul. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I had a terrible migraine on this night. So I layered that little medicine bottle from Fox and Pip over top of another circle from the kit. Jumping over to Wednesday, I am marking my Zoom class the same way that I marked it on Monday with that scallop circle box, a piece of floral deco, the sports bra from Miss+Meow, and then the swoosh from Planning Like a Pro. I liked the way that all kind of came together. I liked the layering, and I liked how cohesive it looked with Monday. Then I wanted to mark that I cleaned my kitchen on this day. So I used another label from the kit, and that clean kitchen icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that me and my younger brother had to drive to my sister-in-law's house to return her dog. We were dog sitting for, or my parents were dog sitting for her while she was visiting my brother in San Diego. He is now on terminal leave. He's out of the military. I'm so excited that he's going to be home. And she went to go visit him over in California before he comes home. So we were just returning her Poochie to her. So to mark that, I used 2 of the mini arrows from the kit, and that little house is from the Glitter Mama. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a pizza night, so I used another third box from the kit. That piece of fall deco is from Honey Inked. It's actually from a sampler from Rachel at Gathered Plans. And then the little pizza night girl is from the Fox and Pip. I was trying to pull in some more of my characters because I use so many icons that I forget that I have characters. So I'm trying to do a nice even balance. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that Rachel and Tay had an impromptu plans change episode. I couldn't really watch the whole thing. I caught a bit of it. They were just continuing on growing their social media, and they were discussing that. But I wanted to mark that. So to mark it, I used a technique that I learned from Rachel, which is layering a Panda Bird Design scallop box over top of a Honey Inked. I used a Honey Inked starburst. She uses mandalas and stuff like that, but I liked the way the starburst looked. And then I layered that little phone from the Glitter Mama over top of a piece of deco from the Sweet Planner. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that me and my husband did some binging of the Netflix. So to mark that, I used a third box from the kit, some more floral deco from the Sweet Planner. That TV is from the Glitter Mama, and then the script is from my mom. The next thing I want to mark is that I have got some Happy Mail on this day. This was actually the last piece of Happy Mail that I got in before I filmed my haul. So to mark that, I used another circle from the kit. That swoosh is from Rose Colored Days and the mailer is from the Glitter Mama. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym again with my little brother and my friend. So I marked it the same way that I marked it on Monday with a label, some floral, and that dumbbell from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I had a personal training session, so I used a half box from the kit, some more floral deco. The workout girl is from the Fox and Pip, and then that swoosh is from Planning Like a Pro. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I filmed my haul. So I used a scalloped quarter box from the kit. The little camera is from Bloom Paper Studio. Jumping over to Friday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I edited my haul. I'm actually planning on uploading that tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. To mark that, I use another scallop circle box from the kit. The laptop girl is from Panda Bird Design, and then that swoosh is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that I had to do some shopping. I didn't go to Chanel. I'm not that bougie. I went to Walmart. Yeah, girl went to Walmart, but that little shopping girl is from the Sweet Planner, and I love her so much. And then the shopping day script is also from the Sweet Planner. Then I wanted to mark that I did my nails on this night. So to mark that, I used a mini mandala from Honey Inked, and the little nail polish bottle is from the Fox and Pip. Then I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class this evening. So to mark that, I used another box from Panda Bird Design. I layered the little yoga girl from Crafts by Towie over top of a half-lace mandala from a mini half-lace mandala from Honey Inked. And then the training script is from Planner Kate. Jumping over to Saturday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I got up and actually had to get ready and put makeup on. So to mark that, I'm using a third box from the kit, a piece of deco, and then the little makeup bag is from the Pretty Pink Co. Then I wanted to mark that I had a balloon gig on this day. So to mark that, I layered 2 half boxes from the kit with some floral deco that came with the deco sheet. And then I forgot that I had these little balloon animal icons. And so I was so happy. Like, I bought them specifically to mark balloon gigs, and I completely forgot that I own them. So I was so happy to be able to pull that in. And that is actually from Planner Envy. So I was so happy that I had those. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I listened to more of my Office Ladies podcast because the gig that I was at was like an hour and a half away. So I was able to listen to it on my car ride. So to mark that, I layered 2 mini mandalas together, and then that podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, I had a YouTube binge with my husband. So to mark that, I used a third box from the kit. The YouTube icon is from Crafts by Towie. The YouTube binge script is from my mom. And then I added that little squiggle from Rose Colored Days. Jumping over to Sunday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in, which was glorious. So I used that little fancy box, which is actually from a freebie from Nikki Plus 3. Another piece of deco, floral deco from the Sweet Planner. That little pillow is actually a piece of deco that came with the deco sheet for this kit. And the sleep in script is from my mom. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I deep cleaned my entire house. Like, I spent 4 hours just scrubbing down my entire house. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit, another mini mandala from Honey Inked. The little mop is from the Fox and Pip, and then the clean house script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I edited this plan with me. So to mark that, I used a label from the kit. The little desk scene is from Planning World. The edit plan with me script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, I had a nice long conversation with my sister. I'm so excited. She's moving back home in December. All of my siblings are going to be home, and I am so freaking ready for that because we're all very tight-knit and close, and we all haven't lived in the same state in like 5 years, and this is the first holiday that we're going to be all together. So I'm so excited. But anyways, that completes the spread. Here are the leftovers for this kit along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!